All right, as you can see right here, these are basically clipped in, but this, when you first get this, you've got these little pads right here, okay? You can see this is from, this one faces inside, this one faces outside, okay? And basically the particulates will go through here, and then this will protect it from coming inside. You've also got another mesh area right here before it comes fully through. This is already pre-installed in this, so you don't have to take it apart. So you've got different layers of protection, and these are all included when you do purchase it. So this is the product right here, P95. So just make sure when you do put it in, you put it in like that, facing down, and then this thing right here will go right on top of it, and then you just snap it in and you're good to go. So it's pretty straightforward in terms of how you put it together. In terms of protection, you want to make sure when you are using it, this is pretty snug around your head and face. And one way to check with that, when this is all on, right, when these are all clipped on and everything, is you want to be able to put your hand right over both of, well, let's go ahead and show you right here. Let's say it's on. You want to put your left hand and right hand and covering this area, because this is where the air flows in. And if air still comes in, that means you don't have a snug fit or is something loose. So in making sure that it is a snug fit, you want to make sure to hold both sides. And if air can't come through and you can't breathe well, that's how you know that it's working properly. Okay, so just make sure of that. Now, if you're worried about this exit valve where you are breathing out, you can also test that out. So what you do, you put your hand over it, make sure it's flush, and when you are breathing out, you will notice that you can't breathe out, and then this will loosen up around the facial area. So that's how you test out if it's working properly. And you can see right here, there's some black specks, and those black specks are from me spray painting. So good thing I had this product with me. You can see all those little micro specks right there, a lot of them. And luckily I was wearing this mask, so make sure to wear the mask, and you wear safety goggles or safety glasses if you are painting or using spray paint, right? So with that said, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. With that said, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below if you've tried 3M products or other products by 3M or other brands. I'd like to review it here on the channel for you all, so you are aware of what products are good and bad out there. So in my opinion, I think this is a phenomenal product, and it is a must-have if you are doing any paint project. So with that said, thanks for watching. Check you guys out on next video.